What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be finding out which dog has the strongest bite. Okay, we got a Maltese, 50 PSI, that's not a ton. Yorkshire Terrier. Okay. Chihuahuas are mean, guys. I know some nice Chihuahuas, but they're mean. Then we got a Dachshund. Okay. Poodles, 150 PSI. Corgi, 153. We got a Beagle, 158 PSI. So these are getting stronger, obviously, with counting up. But some of them got some. Okay, Jack Russell, we got 160. Dalmatian, 170. It's getting higher, guys. I want to see what dog has the strongest bite. Make sure you stay tuned to find that out. French Bulldog, a pug has 186. Golden Retriever has 190. American Eskimo dog has 195. That's surprising. Some of these I'm not expecting to have this high. I actually, how much is that? I don't even know how much. An Old English Sheepdog has 202. Some of these I'm trying to really think if I know. Those dogs are weird. They look like a mop. We got a Mastiff. 210. English Bulldog has 218. The Greyhound is 220. A Collie has 221. Chow Chows are weird. Newfoundland is 223. Okay. A Doberman has 229. A Bernese Mountain Dog, which I really want, has 223. Labrador Retriever, that's one of my dogs. He has 231. He has Boxer too, so he's a big mix of stuff. 234. Oof. Pitbulls are 237. German Shepherds are 238. A Great Dane, 240. That's a lot, guys. That would hurt. Most of these would hurt to get bit by. Bull Terrier. Yeah, I've been bit by my dog when we were playing with him. He's not mean. He's just playing, right? But it hurts. He's got some strong. American Bulldog is 305. Siberian Husky, they look cute, but they're, a Rottweiler is 328. Speaking of dogs. A St. Bernard, guys, has 390 PSI. I can't wait to see what the strongest dog has. Let's see. Okay, we got... Let's see, 406. 450, that would hurt. Okay, almost there, guys. I'm pretty sure we're near the end. Let's find out which dog has... English Mastiff has 550. I haven't even seen my other dog on here yet. Okay. Whew, 700. Okay, I guess that's it. I guess that's the strongest dog is a Kangal. Yeah, the Kangal holds the record for the strongest bite for us among dogs with 734 PSI. That would really hurt. It would really hurt to get bit by. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and share it with a friend. I will see you guys next time.